According to the NFPA, a fire injury happens every 43 minutes. A US fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds, and you only have 3 minutes to escape your home in a fire. As that clock is ticking, I'm going to explain how to create an escape plan and show you just how fast 3 minutes goes by. Today on Ask Safewise, how do I make a fire escape plan? Cover these 4 things when making your family's fire escape plan: smoke alarms, everyone's jobs, an escape route, and a meeting place. First, smoke alarms. Start planning your escape route now by finding all of the smoke alarms in your house. There should be at least one on every level and one outside every sleeping area. Test them regularly, like once a month. And if there's anyone at home with hearing loss, get a bed shaker so they wake up too. We'll drop a link below so you can find one of those. Next, assign jobs. Everyone has a job. Get out as quickly and safely as possible. But not everyone can do that alone. For kids, pets, or anyone who needs assistance, give them a buddy to make sure that they get out safely too. And while you're at it, assign someone to test those smoke alarms every month. Then, plan your route. This part takes the longest, but it's crucial. Your plan might look different from mine, but in the end, the goal is the same: to get the heck out of there. A good place to start is by IDing the exits of your home and finding the most direct route out from the bedrooms and different floors. If you have bedrooms upstairs, make sure there's a functional escape ladder up there. Check that all exits in your home aren't blocked off and that your windows and screens work as escape options in case doors are blocked. Thankfully, you don't have a time limit to create this route, but try setting aside 1 hour every year to make one and go over it with your family. And finally, a meeting spot. Agree on a meeting spot away from your house, like a tree or a street sign. Any nearby landmark will do. This is the spot where you'll safely call the fire department and wait for the rest of your household. What is important is that everyone knows where that spot is and that once you're out, you do not go back inside. Hopefully, that helps to get you motivated to talk fire safety with the rest of your family. You can learn more from our other videos, like our interview with NFPA's Andrea Vastus or UL's Dr. Marilyn Black. And time. Did we make it? If we left you with more questions, drop them in the comments below. We make Ask Safewise videos every week, and we would love to hear what's on your mind. Tag those comments with the hashtag AskSafewise, and we might feature your questions on a future episode. Thanks for watching and stay safe.